NJ, what are you doing? What is that? What is it?
It's
Very long?
Yeah, look up there.
Up where? Up there?
Yep.
What is it?
And look at the bottom too.
Oh wow, it's so long. Oh, it's like a rain gutter.
Look at the bottom too.
So the rain gets collected, right? And the rain falls down in here.
And look at this.
And then
Oh.
it goes inside the hole. Oh wow, and then this is the rainwater. Can you drink this water? Probably not, right? But that's pretty cool. Oh, don't drink it. It's probably got mosquitoes in it. So they collect the water right here and then they use it to water the plants. That's pretty cool.
Let's go upstairs.
Alright, let's go.